In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign account. Whether you're planning to sign documents digitally or send them out for signing, having a DocuSign account makes the process simple, fast, and secure. Let's get started by heading over to the official DocuSign Create Account Sign-up page. You can find this page by doing a quick internet search or directly visiting DocuSign's website. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Get Started, Sign Up, or Create Free Account. This button is your gateway to setting up your new account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. This typically includes your email address, which will be essential for receiving notifications and activating your account. You'll also need to create a password. Make sure it's a strong one to keep your account secure. Additionally, you'll provide your name and agree to DocuSign's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Take a moment to read these terms as they outline how your data will be used and stored. Once you've entered your details, you may be asked to choose a plan. This is where you decide whether you want a free account or opt for a trial or paid plan. The free account allows you to upload, sign, and store documents, which is perfect if you're only looking to sign documents yourself. However, if your goal is to send documents for others to sign, you'll need to consider a paid plan or trial version that offers more features. Choose the option that best fits your needs at this time. Next, you'll need to activate your account. After signing up, DocuSign will send an activation or confirmation email to the address you provided. Be sure to check your inbox, and if you don't see the email, take a look in your spam or junk folders. Once you locate the email, click the activation link to verify your account. This step is crucial because it officially unlocks access to DocuSign services. With your account activated, it's time to log in using your email and the password you set up earlier. Once logged in, you'll be brought to your personal DocuSign dashboard. Here, you have the opportunity to set up your profile and default signature. This is a handy feature, allowing you to use your signature consistently across documents. You can also adjust other settings and complete any profile details to make your account truly yours. At this point, you're ready to begin using DocuSign's features. Start by uploading documents and exploring the tools available for managing, signing, and sending documents. Remember, the key to effective use of DocuSign is familiarity with its features, so take some time to explore and get comfortable. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience that digital signing with DocuSign brings to your workflow.